Good afternoon everyone, and welcome to our anti-bullying assembly. I'm sure you'll have been learning lots already today, seeing as it's anti-bullying week, and it's been great to see lots of you wearing your odd socks. Have you seen my odd socks yet? If not, have a look. I borrowed them off Mr. Ashton, so they are very, very fancy and very bright. So, this year, the anti-bullying slogan is, we are all different, but all united. So we are different, but united. We're together. We're a community. We're one. Do you recognise anybody in there? You can see me and my two lovely boys. This is Stanley, who's 11. This is Ernie, who's 10. And this is Mike, who's my fiance, which means that we're going to get married soon, and he is the boys' stepdad. What do you think makes my family different, or look a bit different, or what makes them special? Stop the video now and have a discussion with your talk partner, and your teacher will tell you when to stop and put the video back on. So, there is something quite different, isn't there? There's something different about the fact that even though Mike is the boy's stepdad, he doesn't look the same. He's got brown skin, and the boys, like me, have got white skin. So that makes us different, but very special and very happy as a family. Family. What is a family? I hope you can read this. It looks a little bit small, but it is such a special quote. A family is a unit of unique individuals who support each other, play together, and above all, love each other unconditionally. If you love someone unconditionally, it means that whatever they do, you will always, always love them. And that's what my family is about. We all love each other unconditionally. Sometimes we make mistakes, but we forgive each other because we love each other unconditionally. The love is always there. We support each other, we play together, but above all, we really love each other unconditionally, and nothing will ever change that. Have a think about your family. Do you support one another? Do you play together? Sometimes you might fall out with your brothers and sisters. My two certainly fall out. But above all, they know that they love each other unconditionally, and that will never change. Have a look now at these families. What do you notice? What makes those families different and special? Your teacher will stop the video so that you can have a look and discuss with your partner. And when you finish discussing, your teacher will turn the video back on again. So, we can see in this family that there's a daddy and a mummy and a brother and a sister. Put your thumbs up if your family's like that. Some families are, and some families aren't. We've got another family here, and it looks like it's just two in that family. We've got a mum and a little girl, her daughter, baking a cake. We've got another one here, and we've got a little girl in the middle, and a daddy and a mummy. This one, we've got a mummy and another mummy and their little boy. And this one, we've got a daddy and another daddy and a little boy. And this one, we've got a daddy and a little girl. They are just some examples of different families. Maybe one of these here represents your family, or maybe it doesn't. Maybe your family is different again. Different, but special all the same. Let's go back to this. A family is a unit of unique individuals who support each other, play together, and above all, love each other unconditionally. So, here's my Ernie. Imagine if somebody came up to Ernie and he said, or she said, "That can't be your dad. He doesn't look like you." And people have come up to Ernie and they have said that. Is this bullying, do you think? Don't discuss it yet. I'll get your teacher to pause it in a minute. Can you and your talk partner help Ernie to come up with an answer? What would you say if you were Ernie and someone said, "That can't be your dad. He doesn't look like you"? And how would you support Ernie as a friend? Pause the video, discuss with your partner. Did you come up with some good answers that would help Ernie? Did you remember those 3 things about what makes a family so special? Supporting each other, playing together, and loving each other unconditionally. Did you use all of those when you were helping Ernie with an answer? Good. We've got Jolene here. Jolene lives with her 2 dads. There's one daddy and there's the other. Could you imagine if somebody said to Jolene, "Why do you live with 2 dads? That's weird." Is that bullying? Can you help Jolene with an answer? And how would you support her as a friend? Remember the 3 things about a family: support, play together, loving each other. Off you go. Talk with your partner. Did you come up with some good answers? Teachers, if you're pleased, put your thumbs up. Good. So finally, for Anti-Bullying Week, I want us to remember we are so lucky that we are all so different, so unique. It doesn't matter what your family looks like, what you are like. What's most important is that you support each other, that you play with each other, and that there's unconditional love. You can close your eyes, you can look at the candle, and think about your family. Think about what makes your family so special, so unique, so wonderful. And remember, we are all different, we are all special, and we are all united against bullying. Thank you for watching.